Robin Cooper here. Good morning. And today's song is called A Bridge to Somewhere. And we've got a bridge and a flowering path and some butterflies and some fun stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. And I want to invite you to the channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. Please subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for your time, for your views, for your comments, for your support, for your enthusiasm. Really do appreciate it. And love to hear from you. I haven't heard, a couple of you have been quiet, so I'd love to hear from you. Give me a line and let me know how you're doing. And again, I want to thank you. And here we go with A Bridge to Somewhere.
Following the bridge to somewhere. I may not go blindly, my senses fully aware. On this bridge to somewhere. The bridge to somewhere. As I follow this path, sometimes the trail is confusing. I know I will continue on with your hand in mine. I'll pull deep within myself to find the strength I need, but will never forget how you've been there for me. And I thank you. I thank you with all of my heart. I'm following the bridge to somewhere. I may not go blindly, my senses fully aware. On this bridge to somewhere. On this bridge to somewhere. As I go through each and every day, I look for the positive, uplifting things to say. Try to express the artist within. You say to me, let it out, girl, the flower blooming again. I'm following the bridge to somewhere. I may not go blindly, my senses fully aware. On this bridge to somewhere. This bridge